peaches. Grab the belt we're gonna put on. Let me explain the concept here. Just get this thing on, and obviously yo, what's good YouTube? Your boy Joey Perez Off-Road is back with another video, guys. So welcome back to the channel. Real quick, today we are not at the off-road part. We're here at home and we're going to be adding a new belt to the old Can-Am Outlander 570 XMR, also known as peaches. Peaches, 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 peaches. You know, because we love peaches. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, we're just going to be adding a new belt. Well, actually, it's not even a new belt. It's just an old belt I had laying around. I believe it is the OEM belt. While I was on a little vacation, if you know type shit. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna... something I'm not really proud of, but it's just a complete total fluke. But it is what it is. My son comes up to me. He's like, "Hey, Pop, while you were gone, I did grab the key and I rode the four-wheeler with Tyke, you know, which is this little friend down the street. He's got a little Honda Foreman or whatnot." And he goes, we were racing and having a little bit of fun. I hit a pothole and for some reason the ATV stopped working, you know. And he goes, "I'll pay for it, Dad. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no big deal. No pasa nada, Dad. No pasa nada." I said, "You know what, man? That belt right there has been needing to be changed. So it's all good, man. Gucci, you know what I'm saying? No pasa nada." So I hugged him, dapped him up, you know what I'm saying? I gave him a lot of respect for standing on 10, you know, and manning up. Belt we're gonna put on here and go clean it all up, which is, I think, in my opinion, pretty good condition. So I've already got it pre-started. I already took the belt box cover off, which I think it has about 13 screws on there. And yeah, let's go jump in it. It's not going to be a long video. I'm not going to take a lot of y'all's time. It's just going to give you guys a good idea on what to do. Because in my case, I thought I needed like a clutch pull tool or something like that. I've never changed the clutches. I've always had like a company that sponsored me, just take care of all my maintenance and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Let's get it. All right, guys, we went ahead and got the belt bien limpiecita la verga, bien chula, bien clean, almost brand new. But anyways, let me explain the concept here. So lo que estamos haciendo, what we're doing is we're putting the belt on, right? So we got your primary and your secondary. Aquí in the secondary, you're gonna have 3 holes. One is gonna be threaded for a particular bolt to go in. And when you're screwing this bolt in, what it does is it starts to spread the secondary, or you can ease off the tension and either you can remove or take off your old existing belt. So this bolt here, which I'm going to throw on screen right here in this corner, it's a M8 1.25 by 70 threads. So to be honest, you can pick it up at any hardware store. I wouldn't pick this one up right here, right around the corner at Ace Hardware, but they do sell like the tool kits, which I think it's like $5 to $10, and it comes with 3 bolts. Y pues, you know, it's for it's the proper threading, and it's actually got some you know, fancy smanchy out of this world, out of this galaxy lubricant for nano, you know, particles can get stuck on it and you don't have problems and break off the bolt in there, you know what I mean? So so we didn't go that route. I just went right around the corner. I did use a ratchet. Do not use an impact because it can break. And real quick, I did want to give a huge shout out to my boy Chris over with Top Shelf Off-Road. Y'all make sure y'all go follow and like his page. He is a mobile mechanic on ATVs and side-by-sides. And he did walk me through this process. I've never had to change a belt because I always either had a sponsor to take care of it. Shout out to Elevated Power Sports, so they would just take care of all my maintenance whenever I needed it. So it's not that I couldn't do it, it's just that I didn't have to. You feel me? So we're gonna go ahead and throw this belt on and get this thing rocking and rolling. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and throw this sucker on here. You do want to have the right rotation. So the way you removed it, if on the Can-Am side, on the Can-Am side, you'll have rotation here with your Can-Am BRP logo. That's how you're gonna want to put this thing on. You definitely don't want to do this because that's not the way it was on, and that's not the orientation of the rotation to go. Orientation of the rotation, damn, I'm rhyming over here. But anyway, so let's just get this thing on here. So we're gonna put it on this primary clutch. Remember the primary clutch first. Y luego lo vamos a poner en secondary. And you're just gonna give it a little roll here, kind of like you would do a bicycle chain. And she should go on just like so. There it is, guys. She's already on. And then the next step will be removing the M8 1.25 by 70 bolt out of here, which will now have your clutches, you know, compressed back again. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. You're gonna grab your ratchet. Remember I said don't use a impact, because you can break this bolt inside of here, which will be a catastrophe. So we got a 1/2-inch socket here. We got a 1/2-inch socket here, and we're gonna go ahead and remove this bolt. And you want to take your time, like I said. You don't want to rush anything. You don't want to use a impact, because I don't want you to break off the bolt in there. Then extract tool, I don't know how you're gonna get it out here. That's called Superman or something. Ouch. This is a tedious process here. And like I said, I'll put the parts in the link in description and on screen. Shout out to everybody watching. Thank you. I appreciate it. I've been a little MIA this year. It's been a personal, developing, growthful year. Let's say that. We gotta, get things right and know what's important in our lives and priorities first, right? Family first, kids first. So that's the mission, the way we on right now, baby. The big things are coming for 2026 for Joey Perez Off-Road, personally and for the channel. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all tell y'all's grandmas, y'all sisters, y'all's uncles, y'all's brothers, go subscribe, Joey Perez Off-Road. Let's go. All right, so the bolt is out. Now we're gonna turn the secondary until it rides to the top, just like so. As you guys can see, it was just sitting in there. Now the secondary clutch has now went back to its normal diameter, which it's compressed, it's not spread. That's what this bolt does. So, what do you think we should do, camera woman? Should we take a test drive, or before we put the belt box on? Guys, if you do take a test drive without the belt box, be careful, because I've heard a lot of accidents, the clutch actually, mangling up somebody's foot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna sit on the other side with both my little feet over there, you know what I'm saying, that we don't have any accidents. But we are gonna ride it out, which I'm pretty sure it's good to go, but my ADHD, my overthinking self, tells me to drive it like this for some reason. I don't know, just in case I did something wrong, but there's nothing I did wrong. But so yeah, she's good to go. So let's go ahead and go take a test drive. Let's go. All right, guys, so let's give this thing a rip real quick. So this will spin, obviously. I'm not putting my feet on that side. Let's see if she moves now. Okay, this is not right. Don't do this, guys. Don't do this. She's moving. Let me put the belt box cover on. Let's do that. I lied. I did not put the belt box cover on. I'm being super stubborn. I'm sitting on it like if I was in a hole and I was AJ Robertson just grinding this shit. You feel me? Shout out to my boy AJ Robertson. But this is what you're gonna see. This is what goes on in the belt box cover. So I'm gonna give it some gas, drive down the street. This is what goes on in that belt box cover. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. That's a wrap for this video. I'm gonna do a little test drive where I actually put the belt cover on and go hit a few holes or something, or go rip it down the street. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll give you guys a little quick rundown again. You got your primary, your secondary, you got your 3 holes, you got your threaded bolt for your threaded hole for your bolt, M8 1.25 by 70. And remember what that does is it spreads the secondary for you can ease off the tension. You can remove that belt or put the belt back on. Take out the screw. And then spin it until the belt reaches to the top of the secondary clutch, which that will do. We'll compress the secondary back to its original state, or you can go tear up the trousers and get into some mud. So let's put that belt cover back on. Let's go. All right, guys, the belt box cover is back on. Plastics are on as they should be. Don't mind the seat. Esta cosa ya valió pura verga. But we got some big plans. I got some pretty cool ideas for it, so I'm gonna be rewrapping that here soon. That'll be for another video. Appreciate everybody tuning in, everybody who continues to support Joey Perez Off-Road. We were a little inactive these past 6 months of the remainder of this year. 2025, man, just kind of just was like jumping me, bro. Like the whole fucking year just stomping me out. But it's all good, man, because you know what doesn't break you makes you stronger. So a little quote from Joey Perez Off-Road before I leave y'all. Be better than yesterday and greater than tomorrow, man. There's always room to self-reflect, you know, and sharing levels what makes the world go around, guys. So like I said, I appreciate everybody tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Share it to your homies, share it to your mama, your grandma, your grandpa, everybody. You know, your cousins, nieces, nephews, so we out here trying to make that movement still, and we're gonna keep you know, the pedal to the metal and keep all that pressure out here, guys. So we're gonna catch you guys on another video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see y'all later. Let's go.